Welcome to Don Imran Family Kitchen. Osh Galdanis and Jumbo to everyone. I'm going to be giving greetings from all over the world because the audiences are growing from all over the world. Now today we have decided to make some masala mogo. So here is the masala mogo. This is a variation of our Kenyan chips masala that we've made in the past, and it's been highly appreciated by you guys. So we've made a very similar thing using mogo this time, which is also known as cassava. So let me give it a taste. Cassava is one of my favorite things ever. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! How wonderful that has been made. If you want to experience what I'm experiencing right now, the bliss I'm experiencing right now, go ahead and follow the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this masala mogo, which is wonderful. If you've had this before already, you know what I'm talking about. You know how wonderful this is. So do try this out because this may be a different way of trying it out compared to what you guys already know. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. And with that said, like this video if you derived value from it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell icon, and catch you in the next one.